Cruise by Mandy here in the beautiful port of St. Thomas in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Many ships for an Eastern Caribbean itinerary come here. I'm going to put it right here so there's no window blocking. We are docked at the West Indian Company, which is usually where you can see 3 ships docked, and it's adjacent to Havenside. Of course, my camera's still being funky from washing my phone, but just a quick glimpse around. We do have Celebrity Equinox in port over there. Captain Cadis, the captain on that one. Beautiful ship. I got to cruise her last January. Movies under the star screen. Just the empty pool deck area. They have not made the official cleared announcement to start disembarking the ship here in port, but I'm gonna head down anyway. At least kind of close at least. But just a beautiful morning. People swimming laps, and that's the main part of St. Thomas over there. You can see Frenchman's Reef, the Marriott properties. St. Thomas was horribly beat to death by Hurricanes Irma and Maria. This will be my first time back here since those 2 hurricanes did a lot of devastation to the area. I will be testing out a different vendor today, checking them out, doing kayaking in the mangroves and snorkeling in a different part of the ship, different part of the island. I have not done as a tourist, and others are doing scuba diving today back at my favorite dive shop at Coki Beach, the Coki Dive Center. So Cruise by Mandy, signing off.